You know what, Mr. Pissy Pants?
Just shut up.
You know what, Mr. Pissy Pants? I'm glad we're back in Rigby. You deserve to be here.
It stinks in here.
I didn't do nothing. You deserve.
Just don't fart in my car.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. I just moved my cheek.
Jake, I hope you fall into a dumpster, and then that dumpster, like, falls off a cliff. But you don't die. You just get, like, severe brain damage. Scoot it up for you. Ow.
You know what?
Ow. Ow. Ow.
I hope you smoke a bad bunch of weed and you get like something up your nose and it bleeds. What? And you get really sick from the bad weed you smoke. Yeah.
I hope you light on fire.
What?
And nobody puts you out. And you sit there and burn.
You know what?
And then you roll off into a river, but it's dry.
I hope Kenzie breaks up with you. I'm sorry, kid.
Jake?
What?
You're adopted.
And you were a mistake.
Well, how could adopted being worse than being a mistake? Because at least they actually chose you when you were adopted. Then sometimes if you're a surprise, it's like Christmas. And you're like, surprise, and maybe you wanted that thing.
Well, if he was a surprise, they would have called him a surprise, not a mistake.
Mistakes can be surprises.
Not very good ones.
Jake, you were a mistake. And you were also adopted.
An adopted mistake.
At the hospital when Caden was born.
Okay.
No, I gotta finish my sentence. At the hospital when Caden was born, he got switched for another baby. Yeah. And on top of that, he was a mistake. And on top of that, they named him Cadence at first because he was a girl.
That's exactly what happened.
So yeah.
So yeah.
Go on, Landon.
I forgot what I was gonna say. I completely forgot what I was gonna say.
I completely forgot why I came here.
To be ridiculed.
Why are we here?
Hey. Landon's videoing. Hey Landon, this is a tribute to Caden. My birthday bud. Yeah, it's his birthday. And he's my buddy.
Hey, so Dakota, did you get the sticks that are standing up in the middle?
Yep.
Sweet.
Hey, Fire Stoker.
This is really nice.
Any big awesome marshmallows?
Brigham, this is a good way to end the party.
Mellows. Hey.
End it? It just started. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
There should be around
That's what I was
4
gonna do
more
anyway.
people
My
there,
hand's
or at
wet though.
least.
So.
Yeah.
Well,